Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about the memory based question paper of NOTSET 2020 that is conducted on today in the morning shift. So in this video we'll see here the first question, first discover vaccine. The first discover vaccine, that is smallpox. So second question, the director of Delhi AIMS, so answer is Dr. Randeep Guleria. नेक्स्ट वी कैन सी हियर विच टाइप ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट इनपुट डिवाइस. यहाँ पे कौन सा इनपुट डिवाइस नहीं है. ऑप्शन में माउस, स्कैनर, प्रिंटर एंड कीबोर्ड था. सो राइट आंसर इज प्रिंटर. सो नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट इज़ नॉट शेयरिंग बॉर्डर विथ मध्य प्रदेश. सो एमपी से कौन सा स्टेट बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करते. ऑप्शन में यूपी, राजस्थान, उड़ीसा एंड महाराष्ट्र था. सो आंसर इज उड़ीसा. सो नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी हियर जो राफेल फाइटर जेट है, फ्लाइट है, वो फर्स्ट टाइम कहाँ पे लैंड किया था. राफेल फ्लाइटर फर्स्ट लैंडेड इन व्हिच सिटी ऑफ इंडिया. दैट इज आंसर इज अम्बाला. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज हु इज़ द सुंदर पिचाई. सो दैट इज़ द सीईओ ऑफ गूगल. सो यहाँ पे लिखा है हु इज़ सीईओ गूगल, बट क्वेश्चन ऐसे आया था हु इज़ सुंदर पिचाई. सो सीईओ ऑफ गूगल. Next, which is not platform of social media. So in the option that is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter was there. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all are the social media platform. But Windows, I think some other option maybe it will be there. So that is the it's not platform social media. So next, normal fetal heart rate, that is 120 to 160 beat per minute. Next question was pernicious anemia caused by which vitamin deficiency. So everybody knows that vitamin B12 caused pernicious anemia. So next is which maneuver used for the treat airway obstruction. In case of choking, which airway will be using? That is Helmich maneuver. So next question, Indian Space Agency. So in Indian Space Agency, that is ISRO, that is located in Bangalore. So next, COVID-19 first outbreak. So many option was there, but right answer is Wuhan in China. So next is that is image based. That blue color pipeline indicate which gas? That is nitrous oxide. And next you can see here the question number 14 is nitroglycerin tablet to be prescribed 5 mg, but available dose is 2.5 mg. So how many tablet to be administered? So that is very easy question was there. The 2.5 mg it's available, you have to give 5 mg, so you have to give 2 tablet. So next question, which anti-TB drug should be avoided during pregnancy? So streptomycin should be avoided during pregnancy. So next question, calcium and phosphorus regulate by which hormone? So parathyroid hormone regulate the calcium and phosphorus distribution. So answer is parathyroid hormone. Next is PDS. जो PDS suture है, polydioxin, that is which type of suture? That is synthetic absorbable suture. So next is pink color cannula. That was also image based question. So size is 20. Next they are asking about corona is what type of what to say? It's epidemic, endemic. So answer is epidemic. Sorry, answer is pandemic. Okay. So which position is preferred during cord prolapse? So answer will be Trendelenburg position. Next is they are asking for statistics, that question. Difference between the largest and smallest value, it's called as range. Answer is range. So next fluid calculation was there. IB fluid 400 ml to be transferred in 8 hours. So rate per ml they are asking. So it's very easy. 400 ml divided by 8. So it will be 50 ml per hour. Next their image based question was there. The gloves to be discarded in which dustbin? That is red. So next, gum bleeding is due to. So gum bleeding is due to vitamin C. So next question number 25. It's which of the following dressing is antimicrobial? So in that option that was gold, mercury, silver and platinum. So we all, as we all know, that silver that is help in bacteria antimicrobial agent. So next is paracetamol injection, that is also image based. Paracetamol vial was there and option was there so many, but right answer is to bringing down the fever, because paracetamol it's action that's analgesic as well as antipyretic. So next in Paxil packed RBC is transferring to the patient, so which type of fluid should be prepare or get ready for that? So in that option, platelet, NS and DNS, RL was there, but right answer is NS. So image based was there, sevoflurane and desflurane, that is the action they are asking use. So here right answer will be maintenance of anesthesia. Next, that is GK, they are asking reasoning that knife, murder, argument, police and jail. You have to make it sequence order. So first of all argument will be there, after argument then knife, after knife, through the knife they will do murder, after murder only police will come, then next they will take into jail. So a sequence will be their argument, knife, murder, police and jail. So next question number 30 is Jackson Prod drainage tube is used in which cavity? So in the option, that is abdominal cavity, thoracic cavity. So many option was there, but right answer is abdominal cavity. Jackson Prod is used in abdominal cavity. So next, consciously forgetting the painful situation. So right answer is suppression, because we are consciously forgetting, that is suppression, means we are suppressing our feelings. If it is unconsciously forgetting, that is repression. So remember that. So next is pap smear test used in, so screening of cervical cancer. Next question was who discovered or who founded the Red Cross Society? So answer was Henry Donant. So next is very easy question, universal recipient पूछा था. So universal donor is O blood group and universal recipient, that is AB positive. So next is indication of argometrin. So argometrin indication that will help to increase the uterine contraction, that is main indication is to control the PPH, postpartum hemorrhage. So next is function of fallopian tube. So correct answer is fertilization. Next, indirectly they are asking with the full form of lithium, means full name of lithium, that is lithium carbonate. So next, intestinal gangrene, we will see all those in image based. So here 38 question was there and 12 question I'll discuss in image based. So you can see here total 50 question in this video. So this image was there, that is linear stapler. So you can see two stapler image was there, that is circular stapler. So next we will see here, this is okay, it's that was reverse Trendelenburg, but in this it should not be like that, hair should be up, leg should be down, so that is reverse Trendelenburg. So this image was there, this is intestinal gangrene. So this is tittle forceps to transferring the gauze space and all in using sterile pad and all to take it out. So in this position, this is ROA, right, occipito anterior. So next they are showing this image to identify this. This is lateral grip, lateral palpation. So this image was there, that is fumigation, with different type of image, but exactly I didn't get. So color was different, but machine was same. This is the identify this image. This is fumigation machine. So blade size, this is 12 number blade. So next this image was there to identify this. This is monopolar cautery. So here that is also very easy to identify the there's what to say, checking the which location and what is the pulse name, that is temporal pulse. So next, exactly I didn't get, but it image was in that tray. So many laryngoscope and airway was there. They are asking what is the cart name. This is airway cart. So in this video, totally I discuss 50 question, and next part I will discuss next 50 more. So thank you so much. If you feel this is helpful for you, you can press like button, and if you need next video, so you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.